It's really good, easy to use punch where you can create a card for your necklace. So as you can see, just very simple design. All you need to do is to have the 90-degree angle, so a square card will be perfect, and just punch it on both corner, and then you will get the perfect hole or perfect, I don't know what it's called, shape to hang your necklace on. And it's very easy to clean off also. So as you can see, the pushy button, so you can push it open, and then you can just dump the leftover paper there. So here you go. Beside necklace punch, I also have the earring punch, which I will film the punch in future video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.